I'm Totu, and this is American Totu.
Our Earth is divided into 7 big land masses. They are called continents.
Asia! It's the biggest continent. Asia has 49 countries.
Russia is the biggest country in Asia. It's really, really huge. Africa is the second largest continent. It has deserts, rivers, and tall mountains.
Africa. Africa has 54 countries. North America is the third largest continent. It has mountains, canyons, and big cities. North America has 23 countries. Canada is the biggest one. This is South America. It is fourth largest continent.
South America has 12 countries. Brazil is the biggest one.
This is Antarctica. Coldest place on Earth. No countries here, just snow. Antarctica is a cold desert. Penguins live here. This is Europe. There are 44 countries.
Europe is the most visited continent. Europe!
This is Australia. It's the smallest continent and also a country.
Australia is the smallest continent. It has the Great Barrier Reef.